Hello, Eddie. How are you? I just finished the installation of my first kit of Hexagon lights. I like them very much.
Good job, Wilson. I'm glad to know you like them. Any more I can help you?
Yes, I have other room need lighting, but the standard size is 4.8 meter by 2.4 meter. It's not suitable for them. Can you customize for them?
Yes, of course. You just need to measure your rooms and give us the measurement. Then we will design for you.
Oh, nice! All the design free? What about the wiring?
Yes, we will provide free design, and we will make instructions for the different drawings.
Awesome! That's what I want. Because other room has different sizes.
We have three sizes of LED tubes: 1.2 meters LED tube, 565 millimeters LED tube, and 440 millimeters LED tube. We will use different LED tubes to make different drawings for different size of rooms. So here are some of our installation cases all over the world.
Great! I can't wait to measure the sizes now. Light up your workshop.
Find some stuff.